Oh, damn! He is out.
Dylan Page just got laid out.
Yeah, that is out. That is it. He is out. Damn!
It looks like he barely got grazed.
Damn!
Oh no,
Oh
that's a
my
good
God! Jeez. Woo.
I'm gonna do that to you. Oh, he's already stumbling. That's crazy.
I didn't see that.
And the white guy was stumbling, bro.
Oh.
Like,
You know what strikes to throw? You get to see these guys in live rounds right in front of you, right? Absolutely. Try to develop your own game plan.
Oh.
To know the tempo is.
oh my God, dude, he's going crazy with those right hooks.
Oh my
He's spamming
God.
it. He's spamming right
Oh
hooks.
my.
He's spamming A. He's spamming A. Someone stop him. Mostly because it just keeps spamming right hooks and they keep landing.
Wears it well.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. That was a clean shot.
Oh,
Like, damn, son.
oh
That's a right and a left.
I think this dude is the reason why has the worst defense.
Yeah, it's everything is getting through this man.
Time down.
Oh my God!
What?
It's
Oh my
God!
It's a whole
There's so
team.
many!
Oh my God!
Holy crap! It's a whole team right there. All gonna jump them, bro. It's a whole gang. Oh my God! There's like
I did not know this guy.
20 of them.
Yeah, it's a freaking what do you call it? Turmoil, gauntlet turmoil match.
Oh yeah.
He should be.
Oh. Oh what? Oh, it's having a standing count. Oh. And that's another standing 8 count.
Goodness gracious! What's the ref doing, bro?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's going to be the
Yeah, I don't know.
in my opinion. Points with these two.
Come on, ref. I think ref will stop it. I think ref will stop it. Yeah, that's it. Horrible stoppage? What do you mean? Did you not see? Early stop. Dang, bro, this is commentating. Want to see this guy die?
Yeah. Commentator did not like this ref whatsoever.
Bro, oh my God. Who is this other guy?
They didn't even give him an intro, dude. He just got thrown in there. Commentator is KSI.
KSI.
And it's
Oh my. Well, this, you know what this reminds me of? It was like midget wrestling. Or midget
Oh, yeah.
boxing. This is literally exactly what it looks like. I don't think they've landed a single punch. Oh my God, a punch landed! A punch landed! God, punches are landing! Oh my God!
oh shoot.
Something is happening in the fourth
Their
round!
defense is broken.
Oh no,
What?
he lost?
But didn't his shields break at first? And he got hit a lot?
Yeah, well, how did he win?
Yeah, how? That made no sense.
He didn't even do anything.
Serious pop to those punches.
Oh my God! Oh!
Oh, maybe I don't
Oh
know.
my God! What is this? Is this Eric from the War Raiders?
Oh my
Oh
God!
my God! He's
What
here!
is he doing here, bro?
Oh my God!
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the
Goodness
champion
gracious.
to the
What? What was that?
Yeah, what the heck?
Jesus! Oh, we're silent again.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What? What? What is wrong with the audio?
Gosh, this is peak right here.
What is it? Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even see what happened, but he's down. Audio keeps cutting out. Oh my God. Oh, this guy's just. Oh, bro. What is it? What? Oh, this white guy's destroying him.
Dude, this audio so bad, bro. It keeps cutting out. Like, Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
there's just random audio clips playing. Oh!
No,
Shoot.
it's over.
That down he goes.
The Viking finds himself on the canvas.
Eric is down.
Tolman looks a little bit worse for wear.
He's much taller than him, so it can be elusive, whereas the body's landing when he needs to
My.
land.
Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh.
Get
Oh
the
my
win,
god.
get the-
Jesus
oh.
Christ. Down is Eric again. I think that might be
Damn.
it. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. It's over. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Stood on the 8 rounds himself.
Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt. Oh.
Ooh, damn.
Uh-oh. Oh my god. I think that's the first time I've seen that hurt. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh my
Oh, is
god.
that it? That's it. It's
Stop
over.
it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Goodness gracious, it already fell? That's
This is the first
crazy.
round. Oh my god. Oh, defense, please.
Oh my god.
Jesus. Oh, that was nice. Oh, oh my god, he might actually have a comeback. Oh.
The dentist wanting to leave a lasting impression.
Oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh, is that gonna count as a knockout?
Oh, shoot.
It's gonna
Got
count.
him.
It's gonna count. Oh. Oh my god.
What a
Woo.